Hello, my friend. Let's talk about something profound, something that may shift the way you see your life and your world entirely. Only a few will understand the depth of what I'm about to share. If you're here, perhaps you are one of them. You see, life is not happening to you. It's happening through you. Every experience, every event, every person you encounter is a reflection of your inner world. This isn't just an idea, it's a law as unchanging as gravity. The truth is, you are the operant power in your life. What you hold as true within yourself shapes your reality. Your beliefs, your assumptions, and your expectations, all these things are constantly creating the world you live in. If you pause and think about it, you might realize that much of what you call reality today began as an idea, a thought, or even a fleeting assumption in your mind. Perhaps you assumed people wouldn't notice you, and now you feel invisible in a crowd. Maybe you believed you'd struggle financially, and now that's your reality. This is not a matter of chance. It's the result of the energy you've been feeding into those thoughts and beliefs. Here's the good news: what you've created, you can also uncreate. What you've assumed, you can replace. The power to reshape your life is within you, right now, this very moment. But most people miss it. They look outward, searching for answers in circumstances or in others, when the real work begins within. The challenge is that few are willing to take responsibility for their inner world. It's easier to blame the economy, your upbringing, or someone else's behavior than it is to face your own thoughts. But those who do take that responsibility discover something extraordinary: they become the creators of their lives. Imagine what would happen if you began to deliberately choose your thoughts, if you decided right now to believe in your own worthiness, abundance, and joy. It's not about forcing positive thinking or ignoring the realities of life. It's about understanding that what you give your attention to grows. If you focus on lack, you'll see more of it. But if you can train yourself to see abundance, even in small things, you'll start to experience more of it. This is the secret that only a few truly grasp. You might be wondering how to begin. Start small. Begin by observing your thoughts without judgment. What do you assume about yourself and the world? Write it down. You may be surprised to find that much of what you believe is working against the life you truly desire. Awareness is the first step toward change. Next, challenge those beliefs. Ask yourself, is this true? Do I want this to continue being true? If not, what do I want to believe instead? It's not enough to wish for a different reality. You must embody it. Feel it as if it's already true. Act as though you are already the person you wish to be. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's aligning your inner world with the reality you want to experience. Think of your mind as a mirror. Whatever you project onto it is reflected back to you as your life. Change the projection, and the reflection changes too. But let me remind you, this is not about quick fixes. It's a practice. Some days will feel easier than others. You may face doubts or feel tempted to slip back into old patterns. That's okay. Persistence is key. Keep returning to the truth: you are the creator of your experience. If we look closer at the patterns of life, there's an undeniable link between how we perceive the world and how it responds to us. Every encounter, whether joyful or challenging, serves as an opportunity to reassess what we are holding within. These experiences aren't random. They are mirrors reflecting our internal state. What if every struggle, every triumph, was a message calling you to higher awareness? The power to decode these messages lies within you, and doing so can change everything. Let's explore something deeper: the concept of assumptions. Assumptions are not just passive beliefs, they are active creators. When you assume something, you're declaring it as a truth, even if it hasn't yet come to pass. Have you noticed how some people seem to attract the very things they expect, whether good or bad? This isn't luck or coincidence, it's the law in action. For instance, when you wake up each morning, what's the first thought that crosses your mind? Is it gratitude, worry, excitement, or dread. That initial thought often sets the tone for your day. If you assume the day will be difficult, chances are, it will be. But if you assume ease and possibility, you begin to align with opportunities instead of obstacles. This subtle shift can transform not only your day but the trajectory of your entire life. Here's another fascinating aspect: the way you speak to yourself internally. Your inner dialogue is like a constant stream of commands to the universe. When you tell yourself, "I'm not good enough," or "things never work out for me," you're unconsciously affirming these realities. On the other hand, saying, "I'm capable," or "things are aligning in my favor," starts to rewrite the script. Words carry energy. Choose them carefully. Now, you might wonder why, despite your efforts, results sometimes seem delayed. This is where patience comes in. The outer world always responds to the inner shift, but there is often a lag. This delay can feel discouraging, but it's a test of your faith. Will you continue to hold the belief even when there's no immediate evidence? Those who persist, who remain unwavering in their assumptions, are the ones who see their desires materialize. One area where this understanding is especially potent is relationships. The way you view others often mirrors how you view yourself. Do you assume people are kind and supportive, or do you expect them to be distant and critical? Adjusting your assumptions about others can radically improve your connections. Instead of focusing on what you lack in a relationship, focus on the qualities you want to experience. Assume that love, respect, and understanding flow effortlessly into your life, and watch how interactions transform. Your environment is another powerful indicator of your inner state. Take a look around. Is your space cluttered or orderly? Does it feel inspiring or draining? Your outer surroundings are often a reflection of your inner thoughts. By consciously creating a space that aligns with how you want to feel, you reinforce those emotions within yourself. Even small changes, like adding a plant, organizing a desk, or introducing calming colors, can make a significant difference. Let's turn our attention to health. The body is deeply connected to the mind. How you perceive your health often dictates how your body responds. If you constantly worry about illness, you're unknowingly inviting stress and imbalance. But when you assume vitality, when you affirm that your body knows how to heal and thrive, you activate that very potential. Visualization can be a powerful tool here. Imagine yourself full of energy, engaging in the activities you love. Feel the joy and freedom of vibrant health as if it's already yours. One thing that often gets overlooked is the power of giving. This isn't about material wealth alone. Giving your time, attention, kindness, or encouragement creates a ripple effect. When you give with no expectation of return, you align with abundance. The act of giving reinforces the belief that you have enough, and the universe mirrors that back to you. Even a simple smile can uplift someone's day, and in turn, uplift your own. And the outer world takes time to catch up with the inner shift. Just as a seed takes time to grow into a tree, the new beliefs you plant will take time to manifest. Trust the process. Trust yourself. You are not here to live a small, limited life. You are here to awaken to your full potential, to note the immense power that lies within you. The fact that you found this message is proof that you're ready. So, take the first step. Begin today. Challenge your assumptions, align with your desires, and watch as your world begins to transform in ways you never thought possible. This is your journey, and it's unfolding perfectly, even now. Keep going, my friend. The life you've dreamed of is closer than you think.